Hi.
Yeah, I'm gonna let Jake run for a few minutes.
Alright.
So stay in here and I'll let you know when I come back to my room.
Come here, Pierre.
Get her out, please.
Come on, Chris. She has a weird attraction.
Yeah, Chris
her.
likes me.
I
Get
should.
Chris, get!
Jake,
Get!
just grab her by the collar and get her out.
Why does the bird not like Chris?
She was in here one time and the bird flew and she didn't bother it, but you really can't judge a dog. You don't, I mean, you never know. I'm not gonna be responsible for my dog.
Now out of her.
Make the door shut. It's inside, love. Come here. Yeah, you can feed him in now. There you go, treat, treat.
There you go, my tweet.
This one works. Why are we anniversary?
Yeah. What's his name?
Pierre.
Pierre. You call him Peter.
Who did?
Me.
Oh.
Pierre. No bite. Give me kisses. Whoa! I tried to do what you do, and you went, ah! You just like me.
Bites me too. Don't feel good. I don't like nobody. Except listen, my auntie likes Gilbert.
Feel free to uncrunk your wardrobe. Show some skin at the beach. Finally, ask her out. Finally, ask him out. All for a
Come here, Pierre. Come here.
and there's no long-term
What's that?
contract required. That's 100 tickets for CalCusin.com for a free 7-day pass. This
Come here,
is a
Pierre.
strawberry Pop-Tart, but this is a warm, fresh-baked strawberry toaster strudel.
I wonder if Pierre likes singing.
See the difference? Pillsbury toaster strudel, for when kids want to eat.
I take my skincare very seriously, so I was excited to hear about a new breakthrough from Zeno.
There you go, baby.
News that the first
Your
sign
feet's
of
all ready
pimple
for
and
you.
the Zeno hotspot eliminates her face 90% of blemishes in 24 hours. The Zeno hotspot.
Cats and dogs is a perfect family pill.
Oh, yay. Hi, Pierre. Come here, Pierre.
Fantastic family fun. Whoa. Thrill ride.
Is this?
For the entire family. Residential kitty galore.
Here's Pierre. Here's a good bird.
Now play. We start with a right
Come on, good bird.
then we hand shop it. It's the perfect addition to Applewood smoked bacon, blue cheese, and grilled
There you go. After that, you
Walk,
go. Off you go, Pierre.
fresh new salad.
Ew. He pooped.
Ultrasound is only used on pregnant women.
He pooped on you?
No, he pooped right next to me. Right there.
Lindsey, before you slide this bed back under, just pull the sheets off.
You can train a lot faster than you think.
And by the way, birds don't poop.
Stanford Ground
That is all
Academy
poop.
to start your career training.
They do poop on
Call
us a
now
lot.
to find out more.
Well, I seen it on an animal show, and they said that people think it's poop, but technically with birds, that's pure urination, they say.
Say hi, Pierre.
They should go, then where's the food they
Say hi, Pierre.
Wow.
He said hi.
Feeling lost with nowhere to turn?
Oh, he wants to take a
Oh.
bath.
Consumer Credit Counseling Service of Delaware Valley.
Yeah, that sucks.
Counseling at little or no cost at 90.
You wanna watch Pierre get a bath?
Work one-on-one
Pierre.
by counselor
Pierre.
with a plan that suits your life.
Pierre,
Yeah,
Pierre,
right
Pierre,
now.
Pierre.
Consumer Credit Counseling
Ew.
Service of Delaware Valley. Call or visit
You wanna
us
watch
online.
Pierre get a bath?
Your way home. Any white smile.
You want? Do you want to watch Pierre get a bath? Lindsey, watch us.
Get on my door. What is your problem?
Want to watch Pierre get a bath?
Confront Omarosa and ask her how dare she think
Want to watch Pierre get a bath?
cleaning her house.
This is not
Okay,
going to
let's
be
watch
good.
Pierre get the ball. Want to watch Pierre get the ball? Want to watch Pierre get the ball?
Even though she thinks she's
Whoa.
really tough, she is
Whoa.
no match for Omaro's
Good
tough.
boy.
She just gets off to my somewhere
Good boy,
cute.
Pierre.
And he says, yeah.
Alright, girls, please come and meet me in the kitchen.
Alright, this is what we do.
Okay.
Put that there.
Find out who helped Sylvia and who did it.
Go get in the bath.
Performance review is going to be one of the factors that I use when I'm deciding who's on track to graduate. Sylvia, how did it go? Well, some girls did really good, and some girls did really bad.
Does Pierre have to get used to the water?
The girls that did good is Pam,
Put it in
Leanna,
your tub.
Jessica, Jacqueline, Courtney, tomorrow I'm sending you
He's an awesome, awesome bath taker. I can't talk today.
And the girls who do work home, you'll be at the house while the girls are getting massages.
Come here, Pierre.
I'm thinking, who
Take
would
your
you
bath.
make themselves and clean a house for a freaking massage? And thank you, Sylvia. And I'll see you guys in group. And I'll
So.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
You've completed all of your household
He's like, no, I don't want to do that. You want to say bye, Pierre? Pierre, come here. You want to say bye?
This week, we're going to double your money.
Bye from Pierre.
Chose not to participate, but you carry or own a Louis Vuitton.
Okay, yeah. He's